Hello everybody, it's Lynn. I'm nipping on to show you something that I purchased. This is called, it's a kit, and there's quite a few sewing kits out there recently. This one has been going for a few years now, and I've just sort of stumbled across it this year, and it's called Craft Pod. Love it. This is how big the box is, and that fits through your letterbox. So, you know, if you're not in, it will actually be waiting for you when you do come back. You don't have to go pick it up from the post office or anything like that, or redirect it. So I'll show you what's inside. I can't show you the reverse side because that does have my address on it. But this is the box, and this is what's... Let me get it right. That's it. This is how it comes. Now that little sticker was holding that down, and I always keep the stickers. I don't know why, I just do. It's wrapped in tissue. You get the card there. Hello and happy spring, because this was the spring bundle, excuse me, and they write you a lovely little note there. That's the note that comes with it, and then inside this box there's two projects. Now this was the first one that I did, and it's lovely. It's a little green finch, and I just loved that. So that's the pattern on the back. They tell you it's got step-by-step instructions of how to go about doing it. So if you're a novice to cross stitch, it's explained here how to start and how to go about it. It even shows you how to finish it off. And then the other side is the actual pattern of the greenfinch. So I won't show you that. So that's that. And before we go any further, I'll show you that I have actually done this, the greenfinch. This was one of the reasons I bought this box. I just thought it was absolutely lovely. And this is a sprig of mimosa. Love mimosa. My great-grandma used to like a vase of mimosa, and she used to stand it on a circular glass mirror. I don't know why they did that, but they tended to do that a lot. Stamp flowers on glass mirrors. I don't know the origin behind that, but if anybody knows, I'd love to know the history of it. But I do love mimosa as well. So yeah, this is the little greenfinch, and I stitched him in the hoop, and that's my backside. So I'm quite pleased with that, actually, the backside. So that one, it needs finishing off in the hoop. I'm going to keep him in the hoop. So that's that one. It's the greenfinch. Now the other one, the other project was Mimosa needlebook, and as I say, they give you all the instructions of how to go about achieving this. It was actually printed onto the fabric for you. It comes ready done, and they're the instructions and tells you how to finish it off. And then also in there is a little card, a stitch guide, showing you what the different stitches are that's being used in that project, or yeah, in that project. The other one's just cross stitch. And before I show you everything else, that's the Mimosa needlebook, and this is my Mimosa needlebook finished. Now it's not been done exact how they did it. I've stitched how they said to stitch. I don't know whether they've made them theirs smaller than mine, but these are all French knots. And then the is it a long stitch, that one? Let's have a look. Or a back stitch. Yeah, back stitch. I just loved it. So that's, you get all the materials for it. That's the green felt, and then you do the blanket stitch round, and I've sewn it in, and then you do this little closure with the thread closure. Can't do it. I'm all fingers and thumbs. There we go. You get the little button, and that, as I say, it's just a little stitched fastener, is that, like a chain stitch. And then I've lined this particular one in purple felt. Now, they don't give you the purple felt, that was my purple felt, for the simple reason this one piece of cream felt is in one piece, and then you cut it in half, and I'm thinking the other piece of cream felt was to finish off this, which I didn't do. I've put it into the needle book. So I have 2 cream pages. I backed it in the purple felt of my own, and then the green felt is what they do give you, and this is how my little needle book turned out. Not exactly to their instructions, but I'm happy how it turned out and how I've achieved it. So you just do your own thing, you make it however you want. But I'm really pleased with the Mimosa and the French knots. So if you're looking for a project to practice your French knots on, this is the one for you. So that's that. I think they've made theirs, they've made the piece smaller that they've put on the book. I didn't want to do that, so I've just edged it round in two lots of stitching, and then I've done the blanket stitch round, and like theirs, it's all, you know, it doesn't really matter, it adds to the effect, the shabbiness of it. So that's the Mimosa project. And then what I do particularly like about this kit is they give you 2 needles. They're the needles that's in my book now, plus one of my own, and they come in here with the little floral button. That's what was in that pack. In this pack, I've not opened it yet, but there are, I think, 5 little pins with yellow heads in there to go in the needle book. And then they give you a postcard, and because this was a spring project, it's all spring themed with the birds and the eggs and butterflies and new growth. So that was the postcard that came in there. And then they give you a sticker book, sticker page. These are all stickers of the same postcard with the birds and mimosa, feathers, butterflies, the eggs, snowdrops, and yeah, I can't think what that's called off top of my head. It's just not coming. Sorry. Catkins, they're the catkins, and these are like I can't think. Primulas. It's a primula. Part of the primula family is that. So that's that there. And then what I also like is that this is the card that they give you with the bobbins. and it's colour coordinated to the threads that they give you. So each thread has its own colour coordinated bobbin, and they're not skimpy, this company. They give you full skeins, and that's what I liked about it. Now, some of the kits that you get, I'm subscribed to another kit and I won't mention it, they only give you enough to do the project. I don't know how they know you've got enough, and it's all measured in long lengths and threaded on a card. But this, I like this idea. They don't allow for mistakes, but this particular company does allow for mistakes, and they give you full skeins, and that makes it worth the money, I think. And also you get a tea bag. Of course you do. Most of the kits include a drink, and this is Energising Me, it's called, from the English tea shop, and it's organic tea. So that's what came in that little box, and you wouldn't believe how much you get in that little box. The other one that I'm subscribed to, it comes in an absolutely massive box. No need for it. It's all extra packaging and posting and all that. So I just wanted to pop on and show you what I've been doing with myself for the past few weeks, because I've not been around much. I've been busy doing this. I'm nearly caught up with my tags now. I've got this week's to do. The other ones are done, and probably when I've done this week's, I will show you, do a catch up on my tags. So I'd like to say thank you all for watching. Please leave a comment if you would like. And thank you to all my subscribers, each and every one of you. You are very much appreciated, and I love you all. And I'll see you in my next video, and hope it won't be too long. Thanks for watching. Bye.